got a few tomatoes ripe today, and hubby went out and picked them for me. And then he made me a TLT, let's see, TLT, yes, that's right, a TLT sandwich, not a BLT. Doesn't have bacon in it. It has tuna fish in it. Tuna fish, lettuce, and tomato. So I think that looks pretty good. I started eating on that one already. And here's the other half. So I'm very thankful. Hubby made my lunch for me today, so I didn't have to make it myself. I hope God's love and blessings are surrounding you today. I will see you on my next video.